everyone! Thara here with
Ejaz
and
abang.
welcome to my YouTube channel. We have two Play-Doh sets to unbox today. Let's see what it is. Sushi and lemonade. Yay! Let's open the lemonade first. I'll open this. Can I open? Open this. Open. Whoa! We got light green, orange, yellow, and pink. What color is this?
Pink.
What color is this?
Yellow.
What color is this?
Orange.
What color is this?
Green.
Correct! Let's assemble this. Now let's make the lemonade. First, open the yellow one. Let's see. Oh, it's supposed to be orange. So we're making orange juice. Take it out.
Yellow. The one about that.
You just want to open yellow? Open yellow? Let's open this. Abang, what do you want to drink? My. You just want lemonade or orange juice?
Orange juice.
Huh? Lemonade lah.
Orange.
Yeah. Oh. It's so easy. Oh.
Busy.
Busy.
It's so busy.
So busy. I had the most over here, and over here. Even at the bottom. Let's make orange.
Nothing.
No. No pink.
Yellow. Yellow, tata. Yellow.
You just come, let's press. Good job! Let's make the orange again. Want to press?
Dadu.
Oh. Should I stick it up?
Nanti tengok.
Stick it up. No.
No. Dong.
Ding dong.
Mami, nak buat api.
That is for you. Say thank you.
Aduh.
Let's open the sushi Play-Doh. Whoa! This is a bento set tray. Now, when you open this, you'll get a chopstick, a knife, some molds, and a rolling pin.
Dadu.
I think the rolling pin is to make the seaweed. Yeah, it's to make the seaweed. You got black, light green, brown, yellow, orange, 2 white, and red and pink. This is to make rice. Oh my god, I can open my own restaurant. My own sushi bar. Good. And Ejaz can be the one who makes the drinks. Abang can be our loyal customer. Hey, our customer is here. Order to order. So when you open this, put the white Play-Doh inside and just screw it so that the rice can go out. I made the salmon.
Mine.
Whoa!
Oh.
I can make sashimi. I can make shrimp. I can make watermelon, egg roll. I can make carrots. I can make cucumber. I'm so excited. So let's make our sushi. I want to start with this one.
Dada, das.
Keras. Let's make sashimi. First, take a little bit of black Play-Doh. Roll it into a ball. Flatten it a little bit. Just following.
Oh boy.
Roll it to a ball. So now you're going to take your rolling pin
Api.
and roll.
Dada naruh.
And then go to the top. See?
Dada, terbang.
There's
Dada, terbang.
no. Look, cut it. Cut the side. Done. Now let's make the rice. take the white Play-Doh, put it in, put more in, and now screw this in. Ta-da! You made your own rice. Take it out. So there's gonna be some inside. Take it out. You're welcome. No. Now let's bundle this together. Take the orange and put it on top. Yellow. Okay. Now put this on. Put this in, and ta-da! So now I can take orders and Ejaz can do the drinks. I made one sushi. We are going to enjoy our Play-Doh now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, share, like, and hit the bell button. See you next time. Bye! Mwah! Just
What? Bye. Bueno, cái con. Cho tôi